Good evening, everybody. I just wanted to comment a little bit on some of the work. So, I just had a look through your reflective journal ones. I didn't really leave any comments. Mainly, this entry was about looking at, is it going well? Do you have any implementation challenges? Do you need resources? So it's really just checking in to see how is everybody doing. I had a quick look. I didn't see any issues or problems, and it should be fine. So, and it also came fairly close on the heels of the plan. So, really, you're just getting started. And also, I did respond to quite a few emails still. So, I felt that those of you who did have some kind of challenges were emailing me anyway. So, I felt that I didn't perhaps need to comment in the journal, or sorry, in the discussion forum. For the second update, I will come in to comment on this. So let's just have a quick peek over here at the dates here. So it was Friday, October 18th for the posts. So your comments were actually in over a week ago. So those of you who were having some challenges have already contacted me anyways via email. That's great. So the second one is due a week from Sunday. Oh no, sorry, it's coming this Sunday, October 27th. So during next week, I will comment on most of your journals. Because if you look here, let me come back here then. If you look at the journal update 2, this aligns quite closely with the final product. So one question is, how are you going to share the learning, or what, the product of your project? So you've already told me what you were going to do after you submitted your proposal. And some of you have been emailing me even more about that, so that's fine. So I want to see, well, how is the product part coming along? And then a couple of questions. How do you hope your project will impact your current colleagues? So we want you to share this experience with your peers, your own colleagues. And so this is why I was really pushing a lot of you and really focusing on what's your experience of this activity, not your students' experience, although your students' experiences, of course, will influence your experience. But what we really want to know is, what was your experience, or what was your experiential learning? And then this one kind of overlaps a bit. This one's much more, oh, what happened to number 2? Here we go. Just a moment. Let me just go back here. Oh my goodness. If you touch these two delicately, I don't know even where is my course gone now. If you touch these two delicately, it jumps and, oh, not even in the right course now. What's going on? Okay, there we go. Okay. All of that. Oh, if you're not careful, it jumps all over the place. Here we go. Okay, this one's much more about the concrete, actual formatting of the plan. This one's more about, what will you do with that plan? How will you share it beyond your own context to have a broader impact? So that's quite challenging, actually. What do you see yourself doing? Some of you are actually trying to write a paper out of this. Some of you are going to use it to extend into your capstone project. So if you're curious about that one, really think about it, and we can discuss that through email or in a meeting as well, because you're doing a lot of work, and this is actually a great way for you to share this work and get, do a publication or use it in some other professional manner. So if I look at here, I'll just highlight this is the final product. So this reflection 2 really aligns closely with the final project or final product. So part of it is, are you actually, what is the connection for you and your work? That was one of the points. The project's focus aims are clearly stated. So connections made to the person and professional work. So that's another part of that group, that reflection 2. And extensions for professional practice. So again, how will you share this beyond? So there's really very clear connections between the final product and the experience and the reflective journal 2. Then when we get to 3, this is really just wrapping up. So again, I might not spend as much time on this one because your projects are going to be coming in, and those will take a significant amount of time for me to work through. So I'm really going to, again, focus on update number 2, which is due on Sunday. So I'll start looking at that next Monday. Anyways, thank you so much, and good luck.